easy to pop frozen chicken fingers into the oven, but there's something to be said for making your own from scratch. These Chipotle Honey Chicken Crispers have just the right amount of heat, carefully paired with some sweet, to lend it a really alluring flavor. The Honey Chipotle sauce, of course, contains honey and chipotle chili powder, along with other sauce basics like apple cider vinegar and ketchup. These ingredients are combined, brought to a boil, then set aside. It's a unique chicken dish that is batter dipped, breaded, and fried, and then doused in sauce. Delish. This recipe has 3 distinct elements, and they all have their own set of ingredients. Each contributes to give these chicken crispers their layers of unique taste. The batter has familiar ingredients, including egg, milk, garlic powder, and flour. Once the batter is finished, it too is set aside. Sense a theme? The breading mixture gives this recipe even more of a little kick with some added paprika and black pepper. And yes, set it aside. The magic begins once you've created your breading, batter, and sauce. First, dip your chicken tenderloin into the batter and then place it in the breading. Gently hand-rolling the chicken through your breading ensures each delicious morsel clings to the batter-dipped chicken. Once you've dressed all your chicken tenders, it's time to fry them up. And drained tenders are placed in the bowl, and once all your tenders are done, add the chipotle honey sauce to the bowl and stir to combine. Ta-da! These would make a terrific main course for dinner, or a lively and unique dish at your neighbor's potluck gathering. For home meals, consider a fresh, veggie-laden spinach salad or a mellow bean salad as a solid accompaniment to this feisty dish.